Would you like to benefit from the crypto market in Canada without spending hours watching charts or needing technical expertise? Finotraze offers a fully automated solution that manages your investments for you. The platform uses advanced technology to handle every trading process seamlessly, helping simplify your daily routine. Within minutes, your personal system can be set up and ready to operate. By using the link in the description, you'll gain immediate access to all features along with an exclusive bonus. Finotraze is more than just another crypto tool. Designed for users in Canada, the platform focuses on helping investors grow their digital assets in a structured and reliable way. Whether you're just getting started or tired of time-consuming manual trading, Finotraze ensures a smooth and organized experience. Its AI operates 24/7 in the background, analyzing market movements, identifying trends, optimizing strategies, and executing trades automatically. The system remains adaptive, responding to changing market conditions while strictly following the parameters you set. No prior trading knowledge is required. Simply define your risk level and goals, and the platform handles the rest. Finotraze continuously balances your portfolio and adjusts positions as needed. When you register through the provided link, your welcome bonus is activated automatically. One of Finotraze's key strengths is its adaptive learning technology. Unlike traditional bots that follow rigid, pre-programmed patterns, this AI continuously refines its strategies. It monitors portfolio performance, reacts dynamically to market changes, and improves its trading logic step by step. Think of it as having a dedicated analyst working around the clock, without emotional decisions or fatigue. Security is also a top priority. Finotraze adheres to relevant Canadian compliance standards, including KYC and AML requirements. The platform uses modern encryption protocols and industry-standard security measures to safeguard user data. All information is stored in certified, highly secure cloud environments. Getting started is straightforward, support is responsive, and even beginners can navigate the system with ease. Once your objectives are defined, the AI takes care of execution. Please note, the exclusive bonus is available only through the provided link. Finotraze is not a short-term tool, but a long-term component of your financial strategy. Whether your goal is to build passive income, diversify your portfolio, or invest more efficiently, the system evolves alongside your needs. However, don't wait too long. The bonus and full access remain available only while the invitation link is valid. The AI behind Finotraze is built on advanced models capable of processing large volumes of data in real time. Rather than relying on simple pattern recognition, the system continuously evaluates historical price data, market sentiment, and emerging trends to make informed decisions. This learning-driven approach allows Finotraze to remain flexible and responsive, delivering more stable and transparent decision-making, whether markets are calm or highly volatile. Crypto doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Let Finotraze handle the technical processes so you can focus on your goals, results, and financial freedom. Use the link in the description now to secure your welcome bonus while it's still available.